students. This is Ethical Education, Class 10 CBSE, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation in Two Variable, Exercise 3.1, fifth sum. Of the perimeter of the rectangular garden, whose length is 4 meter more than its width, is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. Okay, dimension. Let's take the length of the garden as x. First, we will read the first draw the diagram. Here, the length will be x. Okay, length and width will be y. As they said, rectangle. Okay, let x be the length, y be the width of garden. First condition given as of the perimeter of garden is equal to 36. Perimeter formula 2 bracket L plus B. But here the L is x, B is y, and mentioned as of. Therefore, 1 by 2 into, okay, 36. 2 cancel. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 36 is our first equation. And the second equation is given as whose length is 4 meter more than the width. The second condition is x is equal to y plus 4. Therefore, x minus 4 equal to y. Second condition. Here we should use graphical technique and find the x and y. It is very easy. The first equation is solved. X plus y equal to 36. Okay. X, y. Here using 0 is very complicated, as 0 comma 36, 36 comma 0. 36 plotting in graph, it may leads to more difficulty. So we will use x as 12 first. Okay, x as 12. When x is equal to 12. 12 plus y is equal to 36. Therefore, y is equal to 36 minus 12, which is 24. Okay, 24. Like that, we put y is equal to 16. When y equal to 16, x plus 16 is equal to 36. Then we get x is equal to 20. Therefore, the points we got, which is 12 comma 24, 20 comma 16. Then for this equation, which is x minus y equal to 4. Here we can use 0 comma 0 0 xy. Okay. While using for putting x for 0, which is 0 minus y equal to 4, y equal to minus 4. Then when y equal to 0 means x minus 0 equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 4. Therefore here minus 4, here 4. Okay, it's very easy. Then we draw our graph. We will take 4 units. See that all the values will be multiples of 4. Therefore year 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Year 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Here minus 4 minus 8. Minus 4 minus 8. Write the scale as scale x-axis, y-axis. 1 unit, 1 centimeter. Okay. It is easily understood. Y, x dash, y dash, x 0. It will be checked at every time. Okay. Then plot the points. For first equation, 12 comma 24. 12, then 24, then 20, then 16. Okay, this equation 12 comma 24, 20 comma 16. Okay, then 0 comma minus 4, 4 comma 0. Therefore this equation, write the equation on the top, x plus y equal to 36. This equation, x minus y equal to 4. The point is 4 comma 0, 0 comma minus 4. Okay, therefore all the point meet at a same, all the both the line, both, after the graph you should write both the line intersect at a point 20 comma 16. Therefore solution is 20 comma 16. Okay, intersect. Therefore length of garden is equal to 20 meter. Width of garden is equal to 16 meter. Okay, this only, these two has been asked in the question. இதான் இந்த ரெண்டு தான் question கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. Intersect at the point 20 comma 16, the solution of the graph 20 comma 16. Therefore we found the point. Therefore the length is 20 and the width or breadth. Here the question they mentioned as width. Therefore we mentioned width. Thank you.